am Sonja and I am here to do a Kinder subscription box unboxing, and I'm super excited because my past 2 months I was moving and it all got messed up, so I finally have a box here that I can show you. So let's open it up. So here's what it looks like on the inside, and there's always a cute little card that tells about it. And I actually brought my computer over, so I'm going to be looking over here because I want to tell you about these boxes before I tell you what's inside. So these are a monthly subscription box, and right now they actually have a deal that's why I have my computer here, so I can make sure I tell you exactly what it is. So sign up for a 6-month subscription and get a free $125 bonus box. Now I didn't do that, but I did do the sign up for 3 months, and I have to tell you, my bonus box I got with my signing up for 3 months was so good, and I'll link up above my reaction to that so you can see all the good stuff for just the 3-month subscription. This is for the 6-month subscription. So this is what you get. You get up to $165 worth of products in every box when you choose a 6-month plan. You also get a free bonus box worth $125 and the ability to choose which monthly box you get. So there's only 2 different kinds of boxes, 2 different boxes, and when you choose the 6-month plan, you get to pick which one of those 2 boxes you want. Plus, if you sign up now, you also get a $10 reward to use in their marketplace, which I personally think that's so valuable because I've actually shopped in the marketplace, and I don't generally do that with my other subscription boxes. I love the products I get in these boxes so much. I am now buying them and using them regularly in my beauty routine. So Kinder boxes are all, you get up to $165 of vegan and cruelty free and clean beauty products every month. You get 5 to 6 products in every box, with 2 to 3 of them full size products guaranteed. You get skincare, makeup, hair care, and body care products. You get beauty accessories and more. And seriously, I love everything I've gotten. So there's 3 plans. The first plan is you pay month to month. You can cancel at any time, but that's $26 a box. If you select the 3-month plan, which is what I'm on, so I prepay for 3 boxes ahead of time, it ends up being $24 a box. So you prepay $72, and that's for 3 boxes in a row. But oh, it's crossed out. You don't get the free bonus box anymore. I don't know if that's always or if it's just this month. Well, then you really want to get the 6-month box, because I really enjoyed my bonus box. So right now you can't get that free bonus box when you sign up for 3. So the 6-month plan, it's $23 a month. You prepay $138 for 6 boxes that you'll get for 6 months. You save $18 compared to paying for it every month, plus you get that free bonus box. And seriously, the bonus box was everything for me. So I highly recommend it, and I want to show you what I have here. So like I said, there's always like a nice little card, and they let me pick my box, so I picked the Pick Me Up box. And it says everything, but there's also a QR code that you can scan with your phone. So this is my February box. So when you do the QR code, tells you what's in your February box. And it has information. I have the Pick Me Up box, and then the other box is right here, the Flatter Me box. So this is the box I picked, and then you can go inside and it'll have videos about it and tell you about the products and everything. So that's really cool. Or you can just read the little card. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the first thing that I have here is Inkling Scents, and it's Pulse for $25. I have no idea what this is. Oh, here it is. And this is worth $25. And I will tell you at the end of this like how much everything was and show you if it was worth it or not. Oh, scents after your own heart. Applied to your pulse points, this warm fragrance develops into your skin. Yeah, so it has like a little roller ball. Okay, let's try to put some on. Oh, Okay, I wasn't expecting to like it. Because I have to be honest, I don't like most like perfumes or whatever. I like this. It smells really warm and comforting. Oh, that is so good. Like, seriously, it's not like really strong. I tend to get headaches really easy, and sometimes scents can give me a headache, and that's not too bad. Definitely I put a little bit too much on, but it's really good. I really like that, and I am actually gonna put that over here to use when I just want to give myself a little Okay, so the next thing is, it's Panga White Bamboo Toothbrush. Okay, so this is a toothbrush for $6.49. Support your oral health with this sustainable toothbrush that you're about to wonder how you ever lived without. Made of biodegradable bamboo and BPA-free nylon bristles, this brush will have your pearly white shiny. Plus, it stands up all on its own, so no caddy necessary. So if you've watched my other videos, you know I used to work in the dental field, and you want to make sure you always use a soft bristle brush. So let me see. Yes, it says a soft adult size. This is actually really cool, and it does like stand up straight. Bristles are soft. I'm really excited because I was actually thinking I need a new toothbrush. Perfect timing. Ah, here, let me show you on the back of my mirror. Stands up. That's cute. I'm gonna use this later tonight. Okay, that was really good. I really like that. Okay, this is Estate Just a Taste Quad Babe Mini Pigment Palette, offering both matte and shimmery finishes to choose from. These blendable and long-lasting eyeshadow quads include neutrals perfect for everyday wear, plus a pop of blue for when you're feeling extra bold. I'm always feeling extra bold. Oh, jeez. I opened it and the little plastic guard popped out, and then colors went poof everywhere. So there it is. It's really cute. Let's get some swatches. I just did foundation video, and so I have foundation on my hand, so this is going right over the foundation that's on my hand. The blue is not very pigmented. I had to put a lot on my hand for it to show up. Let's see. So this right here is the light color, and then it goes next is this one, then the darkest, then the blue. So this is a nice like complementary palette to do a fun little eye look, and it's just nice and cute. I like it. I'm not sure like how vibrant the colors are gonna be. We'll see. I'm gonna wipe it off my hand though. Next, so we have 5 products in here. So next is Delia Organics, the Goji Glow Cream for $19.40. This non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and deeply hydrating cream is a very good way to treat yourself. Black goji berries deliver amino acids to your skin, while vanilla and lavender provide just awesome scent. Oh, that actually smells really good. I wasn't having high expectations because of the lavender, but I actually really like it. It's nice and thick. It feels really good. And it like, you can hear my family in the hallway, sorry. It blends really well into my skin. That's really nice. I don't know. Who knows? We'll put it over there. And last is 100% pure liner in Blackest for $26. This buttery soft black pencil liner will define your eyes in comfort and style. Made with jojoba oil, chamomile butter, and mango seed oil. This lovely liner will nourish your skin while delivering a seamless flake-free application. That's a nice pencil. Okay, I'm gonna try to draw because I have all that lotion on this hand, so I'm gonna give it a chance on this hand, but I'm not good at drawing with my left hand. So here, that's fairly straight for my left hand. So that's fun. I always enjoy a new eyeliner. I'm gonna leave this out so I can use it tomorrow and try it out. So that, my friends, is my February Kinder beauty box. Super excited for it. I got some really good things. I am so super excited to try this toothbrush. Like, really excited to try this. This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun things. So I highly recommend these boxes. They are by far my favorite subscription boxes I get. I always look forward to them, and I'm so glad that I have my address all settled and situated, and I'm gonna get all my boxes from here on out. So I want you to do me a favor. I really appreciate all the likes and subscribes I can get, because I am small, I'm new, I'm trying to grow. I'm a stay-at-home homeschooling mom, so this is like how I get out like my energy. Like, this is my thing, so I need my people to support me. Like, subscribe, click the bell to get notifications of when I post. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.